Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about English conversation. It is part 2. In part 1st we have learned about how to introduce yourself. Second was about hobbies and interest. Third was about daily routine. तो हमने ये 3 topics cover किए थे. The fourth one that we are going to cover that is about family and friends. How to describe family and friends. Now, you need to know about family words. You need to know about phrases related to describe friends or family. Second thing that you need to focus, how to ask someone to introduce or tell me about your family. Now, for example, you are asking me or someone asks me, can you tell me about your family? Obviously, I'll tell him about my family. Now, how will I answer this question? I will answer it like this. Yes, of course. Thank you so much for asking me. In my family, we are 6 members. How many members? 6 members. I, my parents, my 2 brothers and sister. My father is a doctor. My mother is a housewife. My brothers are students at university. I am a teacher and student both. My sister is married. She has 2 children and she is a housewife too. Now, that's how you will also describe your family members. आप भी अपने family members को इसी तरह describe कर सकते हैं. The second thing is about friends. How to ask about friends. Now, if you want to ask about friends, then there are different friends. Some friends are best friends. Some friends are normal friends. Occasionally, you are meeting with them. कभी-कभी किसी occasion में या event में आप उनके साथ मिलते हैं. So they are also your friends. I mean, occasion friends, event friends. इसके अलावा there are hi hello friends. I mean, कहीं पर आप मिले तो आपने hi hello किया. How are you? Things are good. Thank you so much. I did not see you and I saw you after a long time. This and that. बस बात खत्म होती है. And if someone is in conversation trying to ask you about friends, then you must not forget that he or she is trying to ask about your best friends. वो आपसे आपके उन best friends के बारे में पूछते हैं. Now, who is your that friend, that friend or that dude that person is trying to ask you? How will you ask someone about friend? For example, I'm asking you, who is your best friend? Or can you describe your best friend to me? Yes. Describe your best friend to me. Thank you. Now, let me describe my best friend to you. For example, my best friend is Ali. I have a lot of friends, but among them, Ali is my best friend. He is in school with me. He spends times with me everywhere. He goes to school with me. We go to school together. We play games together. We spend our free time together. An interesting thing is that our hobbies are same. We have same hobbies. We sit in the library in free time. We have a cup of coffee and we enjoy reading books. We go together to the exercise. We do exercise and then we are going home. Now, that's how मैंने अपने friend को describe किया. You may have best friend too. So अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है कि आपका friend कौन है, can you tell me about your friend? So you have to describe your best friend. But if someone is telling you, can you tell me about your friends? Then you should describe the list of your friends to them. And occasionally we are going to describe, or usually we are going to describe best friends or those friends that we are meeting on occasions, which belong to our school level, school friends, college friends, clubs. In different clubs we have played or we have done exercise. वो डिपेंड करता है कि आप कहाँ पर फ्रेंड्स थे और उसी जगहों में जो है आप जब मिलते हैं, how you are interacting and who are they, what are they doing, what are their interests. If you remember, मैंने पे अभी वीडियो में बताया, that we have same hobbies, same interest. That's how you will describe your friends and family. Now come on everyone, describe your family and friends in detail. Thank you so much. It was all from my side in this video. Next video is coming about another conversation and interesting topic. Stay blessed, stay happy. It was all from my side today.